Hey folks, this is a Toyota Venza. You have this light out that's on your rear hatch. Okay, it's actually a small bulb in there. It's a 194. So in order to change this bulb, you open the hatch and you get your little plastic panel clip remover. You stick it in there and you pop out a couple of little Christmas tree clips. Okay, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe one more by the latch. Okay, I'm going to find two bulbs here. The bottom one is the reverse light and the other one is the parking light. Okay, so same thing as any other bulb. It's a lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I already changed this one already, so I'm just going to show it to you. Okay, you're going to take this, turn it to the left. The whole socket is going to come out. It's actually a long socket. See, there you go. And the 194 bulb is just a pushing bulb. So just pull it out and put the new one back in. Okay, just find it back in here. It's a little bit of an angle, so just remember when you put it back, you need two hands actually. And once you find it in there, then it's a righty tighty. Okay, then over here there's a little tiny clip here. If you see it, this clip here goes to this little slot in there. Once you get that hooked in there, like so, okay, and this piece will go over here. Everything lines up in the hole. And it all snaps together. Okay? Good as gold. There you go. There's your little light. Double check it, and you are good to go. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching.